Imagine plunging deep into the ocean on a single breath, descending further and further as sunlight fades and the water cools. Minutes pass, but you feel no urgency to surface. Instead, you're surrounded by vibrant coral reefs and exotic marine life, utterly at home beneath the waves. For the Bajau people, known as the sea nomads, this isn't a daring feat, it's just another day in their extraordinary lives. We are about to embark on an incredible journey to Southeast Asia to delve into the lives of the Bajau people. With their unparalleled free-diving abilities and a culture deeply intertwined with the sea, the Bajau have captivated scientists, adventurers, and storytellers alike. How have they mastered the art of diving to astonishing depths without modern equipment? How can they stay underwater for so long without an oxygen supply? Stay tuned as we uncover the awe-inspiring tale of the sea nomads. For over 1,000 years, the Bajau have lived a life that most of us can scarcely imagine, a life spent almost entirely at sea. Roaming the waters off Indonesia, Malaysia, and the Philippines, these nomads have no fixed abode on land. Instead, they build stilted villages above the waves or live aboard wooden boats called lapa-lapa, which serve as their homes, fishing vessels, and transportation. From a young age, Bajau children learn to swim before they can walk. They are taught to read the subtle signs of the sea. The changing tides, the behavior of fish, and the whispers of the wind. Their survival depends on an intimate understanding of the ocean's rhythms, and over generations, they've honed their skills to become some of the most proficient free divers on the planet. Their days are spent harvesting the ocean's bounty. Using handmade spears and goggles fashioned from wood and glass, they dive deep below the surface to catch fish, octopus, and sea cucumbers. Their diet, economy, and very way of life revolve around what they can gather from beneath the waves. The sea isn't just a resource for the Bajau, it's an inseparable part of their identity.
But here's the enigma that has puzzled outsiders for generations. How do the Bajau manage to dive over 200 feet or 61 meters deep and hold their breath for minutes on end, all without the aid of scuba gear or modern technology? For most people, even trained divers, such feats are beyond reach. Is it rigorous training from a young age? A unique diet rich in nutrients that enhance lung capacity? Or is there something more profound, perhaps an evolutionary adaptation that sets them apart from the rest of humanity? This mystery intrigued not only adventurers but also the scientific community. Unlocking the secrets behind the Bajau's abilities could provide invaluable insights into human physiology, evolution, and our potential to adapt to extreme environments. Driven by curiosity, a team of researchers led by Melissa Alado embarked on a groundbreaking study to uncover the truth. They ventured into remote Bajau communities, equipped with ultrasound machines and genetic testing kits, ready to delve deep into the biology of the sea nomads. Their first significant discovery was anatomical. The Bajau have spleens that are on average 50% larger than those of their land-dwelling neighbors, the Saluan people. But why is spleen size important? The spleen plays a critical role in the mammalian dive response, a set of physiological reflexes that conserve oxygen during prolonged submersion. When we dive, our heart rate slows, blood vessels constrict, and the spleen shrinks, releasing oxygen-rich red blood cells into the bloodstream. A larger spleen means a greater reservoir of these cells, effectively extending the time one can spend underwater. But anatomy was only part of the puzzle. Genetic analysis revealed that the Bajau possess unique variants of genes associated with hypoxia tolerance, the ability to withstand low oxygen levels. One such gene is PDE10A, which is linked to spleen size. This genetic adaptation didn't occur overnight. It is the result of thousands of years of natural selection favoring individuals with traits that enhance diving capabilities. Further studies uncovered adaptations in other genes related to cardiovascular function and muscle efficiency under low oxygen conditions. These genetic traits enable the Bajau to slow their metabolism and reduce oxygen consumption while diving, allowing them to stay submerged longer than most humans could ever hope to achieve.
Now, here's where the story takes an even more astonishing turn. This is one of the first documented cases of natural selection in humans for a specific trait related to diving. The Bajau are living proof that human evolution is an ongoing process, shaped by our environment and way of life. Their bodies have adapted at a genetic level to meet the demands of their aquatic existence. Consider the implications of this discovery. Evolution is often thought of as a slow process, taking place over immense spans of time. Yet, in the relatively short period of 1,000 years, the Bajau have developed physiological traits that set them apart from the rest of humanity. It's a vivid reminder that we are not static beings, but dynamic organisms capable of remarkable change.
The story of the Bajau people is a testament to the incredible resilience and adaptability of human beings. It reminds us that the boundaries of human potential are not fixed but are instead shaped by our environment, lifestyle, and the challenges we face. The Bajau have not just survived in their marine world, they have thrived, evolving in harmony with the ocean that sustains them. Until our next story, be well and stay curious.